Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How you doing today? Today is a very special day. Today is a collab. I'm doing a collab with Joregelina from Joregelina's Journey is her channel name, and with Candi from Candi Sweet Love for LV. Our topic today is purchasing a bag, a handbag that we can use. It's something that's actually usable and that is $100 and below, including tax, shipping, and the whole bit. You know, so I was like, that's right up my alley. The handbag I have here for you today is going to be that. So if you're interested in that, come on back. Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Today I am unboxing, unbagging this little beauty here. It is a bag. It is, I'll give you a spoiler. It is a Dooney and Bourke, but it's a very unusual Dooney and Bourke that I have been hunting for about a year. And I first saw this on Noble Street. I will link her channel below. She showed it, and there was actually two bags, and I got the one bag. It was a denim bag, my denim banana bag, and I got that one and unboxed that during my denim drop in January. And if you haven't seen that series, I'll put that below as well too in the description box. But this one is one that was a little bit more elusive. One, two, was a lot more on the pricey side. So I knew that, so I wanted to make sure and try and make sure that it was one that was worth the price that they were asking, not just because of what it was. Let's get into this. Let me see. Yes, this is a Dooney and Bourke. Can you believe it? It is a Dooney and Bourke Panettiere red and gold leather, and it's a Hayden. It was a collaboration with the actress Hayden something or another. I'll try to get that information over here. And this was one of the bags that was in that collaboration they did with her. I'm guessing back in the 80s, I think, is when it was. But I saw it and I fell in love with multiple things when I saw Noble Street showcase it on her channel. I love the lion right there. My father-in-law was born in August, so he's a Leo, so the lions always remind me of him. So that's why I like the lion. So here's the front of the bag. Here is the side of the bag. Here is the back of the bag. Here is the other side. Here is the bottom. Here is the top view. And so this is a clutch, is what they're saying. You know, it's a clutch. But it has the snap right there. Nice, strong snap. You can hear it. Look at that. Here is what the inside looks like. It has that vintage pink that they have. It had the Dooney is kind of famous for back in the day. Here is the zipper pocket. And here, oh, it smells like leather still. You can see that pocket. Here is the special, okay, Panettiere is her last name. So let's see if I can properly get this on the screen. How's that? And it says Dooney and Bourke for Hayden Panettiere. We'll just go with that for now. It has the registration card still. And it's just an open cover like that. Clutches are hard to wear, you know, sometimes because of the fact that, oh, and it has a back pocket. But I wanted to show and see if it fits, and it does. It fits in the bag here, perfect in there. What I also thought when I was getting this bag is because I thought, you know, a clutch would be great. You know, I can use that for the only fancy places I go is for the cruises. When we go on the cruises and we have dress up night and what have you, I can do that. If we do a lunch, a ladies lunch, or a lunch, you know, a date with the family and what have you. But here is the back pocket as well too. I'm not sure if I showed you that. And it'll fit right in here, so it's perfect. Those are perfect aspects of the bag. I also thought that maybe I could convert it into a crossbody. Don't know if it'll work. You know, I've seen people do this. Let's see if I can do that. They just kind of put it in here, and then they close and it becomes a shoulder bag. Becomes a shoulder bag or a crossbody. Now this chain is short, but I do have a longer chain that is a much longer chain that it can be crossbody, but that can be a shoulder bag. So, you know, I can make versatility. You can make things work with accessories, and I really think that looks really, really good this way because it matches really good. Let me see if I have the longer one. Hold on. Okay, I can't find the longer one on my. But the other thing that I thought of is I bought these little wristlets, and I thought I could hook it onto the zipper. Yeah, I'll hook it onto the zipper, then I can make it a wristlet, and I can carry it this way, and then I can be hands-free. Also carry it under, you know, and it's still attached, so if it falls, you know, which I have a tendency to do, is have things fall. So the second part of our collab is that we're going to use this for about a week, use the bags that we have for about a week, and kind of come back on a second video showing how we used it. Did we like it? You know, all that kind of fun stuff, and kind of assess that. So I think I have a couple of good ways to use it, and I'll let you know which ways were my favorite. Was it a wristlet? A wristlet? Is it a crossbody? Or is it just a pure clutch? Or all three? If you haven't already, please go visit and watch Candi Sweet Love for LVs, her video. Also watch Joregelina's journey, her video. I'll link them below. I'm doing a collab with them about our bag that we purchased under $100, tax, title, and license. Oh, I guess y'all need to know that. Okay, I will show it up here. The cost of the bag was $60. Shipping was $609, tax was $545, a grand total of $71.54 for a vintage, rare, unique Dooney and Bourke specialty collection handbag. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for being here, and I hope you like the collab. I love y'all. Bye-bye.